Hello, my tap class. You get to see me on my off day of new dance floor and no makeup, but getting tap videos out for you so that you can learn the Shim Sham Shimmy, modified, no jump, nice and slow and relaxed, and I hope that you enjoy your practicing, and I've split it up into different parts for you. Love you guys, and I love our class, and I hope that if you live in the Augusta area, you come join us. We would love to have you. And my kids are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.